Did you know that improper water tank cleaning can lead to a fire pump dry run, putting your building at serious risk? Let's explore how to avoid this critical hazard. Water tanks must be cleaned regularly to prevent contamination and ensure safe water supply. However, this maintenance task can also disrupt fire protection systems if not managed correctly. A dry run happens when the fire pump runs without water, causing severe damage to the system. This can occur when the water tank is drained for cleaning, but the fire pump is still active. As required by the UAE Fire and Life Safety Code, fire pumps must be isolated properly during water tank cleaning. Ensure certified technicians follow approved safety protocols. Prevent fire pump dry runs by following these steps. Inform the maintenance team about the scheduled tank cleaning. Isolate the fire pump before cleaning and restore it afterward. Test the system to ensure everything is operational. Stay compliant with UAE fire safety standards and ensure your fire protection system is always ready to respond.